Hello Saviors, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to run Postman through command line. For that you have to follow a few steps. First step is install node. So let me see in my system whether I have installed a node. Let me open the command prompt npm -v. So I should get the version of the node. If not, I do have to install that. See, I got the version. So if the viewers who have not installed this node, you can go to the website, download node.js. You can see whatever the latest version is available for the Windows installer. You can download for 32-bit or 64-bit. If you are using Mac OS, you can install this one. Now we have to do another one. So you have to install Newman. So for installing Newman, so you have to write npm install globally Newman. Okay, the second one is this step. Let me follow that. Npm install -g Newman. So it has now installed Newman. Fourth step is we have to export the collection into a JSON format. Alright, so let me minimize this. So this is my collection. I have get and post methods. I have to click on three dots. I have to click on export. Now v2.1 is recommended. I'll export this collection. So I've created one folder which is Postman collection. So I'll be writing this as collection. So I'll just save the collection.json. So I'll click on save. So you'll get a message your collection was exported successfully. Fourth step is you have to navigate to the exported file, location. So now what I'll do, I'll click on CD, I'll paste this. So I'll be navigating to that collection. So once you reach this place, now you have to write a command. So I'll write that as a fifth step. Newman run the collection name. What is the collection name you have given? So I have given collection. So I'll write collection.json. So let me copy this. Now let me paste it here. Let me run this. Hopefully this should run. So whatever the assertions we have. Fine. Let me see the results here. So you can see here. Now test collection it ran. The test collection we have list user. So these are the prerequisite and test scripts. And this is the get request which was 200. And we had one more test metadata which doesn't match. That's why we didn't get 200 there. So this is another one. Single user. This is a post request. Those two are get requests. Fine. Situations 3, requests are 3, test scripts are 5. So assertions we have 4, 2 failed in that. This is a failure. Why it got failed? What was expected? What was given? So that's it. We have covered how we can run through command line Postman. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.